Put your corners in your shelf as shown right here on all four sides. Slide the legs through, all the way through, down to the bottom. Line them up over the holes. Go ahead. Line them up and start screwing them in. Got the other two started. After you get the legs screwed in and started, tighten them up. That's good. And then go to the bottom with your set screw that's in there and tighten them up.
Measuring it.
Now, measure them, get the right height on all of them. Also, all of them the same. Tighten up them set screws, stand your unit up, and you should be done. Now, tighten, make sure all your nuts underneath is tightened up. That's good. At least they'll get the idea. Just tighten them up, tighten your other set screws up. And the legs are in, and you should be ready to go. But you have to turn the unit upside down, take the other legs that's in the unit, take them legs that's right there out, unscrew them completely. Unscrew them completely and take them out. Now your shelf is on there and you're ready to go. Set your unit back up.